Grid Alternatives is a nonprofit serving underserved communities. One of their primary areas of focus is installing solar panels on rooftops of homeowners who qualify as low income. They basically had funding to install solar panels on over 100 homes in Pacoima, completely free to homeowners. The problem they had was that the people didn't trust that it was truly free. They thought it was another solar scam, or too good to be true. Their goal was to use geo-targeted ads in a couple of zip codes to get 150 leads of people who are interested in getting solar systems through them. Taking all of this into consideration, I set out to film, edit, and produce 5 reels focused on building social trust through boots-on-the-ground style videos. I filmed all videos with an iPhone to have an unpolished and candid look. And now after about 4 weeks of running these ads on Meta, here are the results so far. Okay, we are here in our dashboard where we track our ads performance. You can see we are looking at pretty much the month of August. We started running these ads about 3.5 weeks ago. So far, we've spent about $2,400 with Meta to run these ads. The ads appeared over 184,000 times in front of 68,000 people. From all of that, we got them almost 1,600 clicks. That means we drove almost 1,600 people to their website, and it cost them about $1.50 per visit. And most importantly, we generated 91 leads so far. These are people who actually filled out an application form that we attached to the ad. And each lead so far has costed them about $26 on average. If you're wondering if that's good or bad, it depends. Let's break it down. We're running 5 ads, and you can see here that some ads are performing better than others. Take this one for example. It's generated 27 leads and they only had to spend $192. That's about $7 per lead. Now, if you compared that to this ad right here, which generated 11 leads, not bad, but it had cost them $392. That's over $35 per lead. So earlier when we saw $26 per lead, we can actually bring that cost down by adjusting our ad spend towards the better performing ads. With that being said, I would probably consider pulling the plug on these 2 ads right here, where the leads are costing upwards of $30 per lead, and then allocating that budget on these 3 ads instead, where the leads are costing me just around $7. And that's not all. Based on the performance of the ads, we are in the process of remixing the ads with different combinations of visual hooks and overlays, with the goal of getting the cost per lead even lower. It all boils down to ROI. If a sale to me meant $5,000 of profit in my pocket and it took 50 leads to make that sale, I would gladly pay up to $20 or even $30 per lead, because that would mean for every $1,000 or $1,500 that I spend on advertising, I would make a sale and put $3,500 of profit in my pocket. I would do that all day long. So if you want to run a campaign like this for your business, schedule a call with me so we can get the conversation started.